Hi friends, this is Others from Explore and Inspire. Today I'm doing a blog post. I am introducing my family to you all. So here I am to introduce my family. This is my husband Shri.
Hi everyone.
And so this is my oldest son Advait, who is almost 5. This is my younger son Arnav.
Hi.
Hi, he's 3 years old and they are everywhere. They're very active boys, just like any other 3 and 4. So here they are. We are out and about today for about 2-hour drive after a long sitting home quarantine time. So we are having fun today. Let's get going. Catch you up soon.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. Will my love you?
Hi friends, we are heading towards Spokane and we are just chilling. We are just planning to go around and see the dam and walk around, keeping with the social distancing. Yes, we are not going to the park, we are not going to the crowd, we are just staying around and just having some outside time with family. Stay tuned. So we are at the Spokane Riverside Park, just wandering around with boys, and it seems to be cloudy here today, but the temperature is good for us to walk around. So we thought to go take a look at the dam nearby. So we'll go and take a look at the dam. Hi friends, we are here at the River Square Park. This is not really a park. This is a kind of, we have a trail we can walk around, and there is a dam coming up. So today here it seems to be cloudy, but the weather is good, not that cold. So we are walking towards the dam. There is a musician around. So where is my family? Oh, I saw them. There are still people around, but not that big a crowd. It's a decent crowd for social distancing. Wow, this is a beautiful lake or dam, whatever. Wow. Hi, boys.
I'm watching the river. So much seagulls, one there and one there.
Is that a seagull?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's look like pretty deep.
Daddy, but we can't go there, right?
Washington Water Power up there.
Seagull! Seagull!
Did you spotted more seagull?
Seagull! Seagull! Seagull!
They're so happy to see the seagull. Skateboarders. We love this place. It's beautiful and calm. So I think boys are planning to go down there. We'll see. Hi guys. Did you see those ducks? I see 4 of them. No more.
See those ducks, Daddy?
They're cute.
That seagull got a fish.
This is a little scary. Down there I see water.
It's okay.
There are cute benches for the people to sit and
First,
chill.
we need swimming clothes, right?
Yeah, we need swimming clothes.
Let's go.
This is a map for the area, Riverfront Central Green. We should have brought boys' bike or a skateboard. Maybe next time. There it is. Whoa. That is way loud. I think we should go to the other side of the bridge too. Here are my monkeys. It's the monkey 1 and a monkey 2. Let's get going. Jump down. Wow, this is very powerful dam. We are entering into a pocket road where we can have a closer look at the water. So there is my family climbing up on the rocks. This is gorgeous. Look at the boulder, the heavy one. Woo! little climbers are climbing. Scary, I'm not kidding. Hi friends, now we are heading to Starbucks. Of course, we need some treat. We are at Spokane downtown with me and my little boy, Apu, and we are walking ahead so we can find Starbucks take out so we can drive back home. So we just had a problem here. There is no restrooms available for us to use before we head home. So Starbucks restrooms are closed. All nearby local stores restrooms are closed. Finally, we are at B.S. Chang's store. Luckily, they let us use restroom. So good.